Hi Parisa.
Hi Prarthana.
Hi Disha.
Hi Pratana.
Hi Disha.
Hi Parisa. Hi Parisa.
Hi.
Hello everyone and welcome to Mars. We are Group 4 and I am Pratna Bhatt from Grade 6 of DAV International School, Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Hi everyone. My name is Parisa Dudya and I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Everbeen Vidhyashram School.
Disha.
Hi everyone. I am Disha from 4th standard PSPB LLA, Bangalore.
Yeah, so first of all, let us have a look at our dear Mars. It is called the red planet because of the presence of iron oxide in high amount, which makes it look red. It was named after the Roman god of wars due to this blood-like red color.
It is the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is 6 crore 20 lakh kilometers away from Earth.
We are peacefully living on this beautiful planet Earth. Then why is this hush hush for a new planet? We humans have exploited the resources very much without regenerating them. The water levels are depleting, the forests are being cut down, the fossil fuels are being used up, and the ozone layer is also reducing.
Pollution is increasing too much.
Sooner or later, the temperature on Earth will increase so much that any life form will not survive here. So we need to terraform to another planet.
Yeah, so we have started exploring the possibilities of survival on other planets. Mars suits the criteria best, but it has many drawbacks. First of all, it has very low temperature. It can go down up to minus 142 degrees Celsius. Next, it has mostly carbon dioxide in its atmosphere and very less quantity of oxygen. Also, there is no liquid water present right now on Mars. We have recorded few polar ice caps which prove the presence of water that has been frozen over a period of time. Mars has very rough solar storms, which will create serious problems uh, for any kind of settlement. There are hazardous gases also, which will make life difficult. So, with all these initial problems in view, how will we start with our intentions to live on Mars?
Research about soil, atmosphere, and climate.
Yeah, that's already being done by our Curiosity and Perseverance rovers. Now we can make plans to develop infrastructure to build homes, workplaces, research lab, etc. for us when we go to Mars. But these should withstand the extreme weather conditions over there. Thus, we need to resolve each drawback. Let us check them out. Parisa? Actually, you're muted.
The rock samples collected by the Curiosity rover from Mars has shown composition of gases like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur.
These 6 elements make up 99% of all living things.
We can use curiosity further in this research on Mars. If these 6 elements are present in the rock samples, any kind of life form seems possible.
Paisa?
Before starting any process, we can have hundreds of nuclear bombings on Mars. This will increase the temperature and very likely to convert the frozen ice caps into liquid water sources.
Once the temperature is reduced and there is liquid water, we need to make the air breathable. For this, we can set up several factories all over Mars. This will create a lot of pollution, which may add up in increasing the atmospheric temperature in our favor.
Now we need to start colonization on Mars. Firstly, we will send robots to build shelter to protect from the strong storms of Mars. These robots will build the base unit, which will be our home.
Disha?
The Martian abode is ready for residents.
Once the infrastructure, resources, and atmosphere are in place, we can send the first batch of humans on Mars. But they will have to wear spacesuits for confirmed protection from any dangers like radiation, decrease in oxygen level, etc. The houses will be inflated tents inside a huge dome like structure made of rock and soil from Mars itself. The tents will be equipped with controlled pressure as the pressure on Mars is very low.
These residences, offices, etc. will operate on the electricity generated from the solar farms we set up on the surface of Mars. We will also try to set up our own greenhouses. We will grow vegetation to suffice our needs for food and increase the oxygen levels too, although in very less amounts.
Talking about oxygen, we can set up huge plants which will produce oxygen to be released in atmosphere as well as stored in tanks for residential and mobile purposes.
The increase in temperature and other factors set off by us will enable the frozen ice caps to melt. Thus, we may be able to create sources of liquid of water.
We can use a device that will pass the heat and electricity through the carbon dioxide of the atmosphere of Mars and separate the carbon and oxygen atoms. The oxygen can be collected in this way also. This device may be also solar operated.
But initially, we will have to wear the space suits continuously to endure the low pressure and the microgravity of the planet.
Isha?
We have a planet with food, water, and oxygen along with a safe abode.
When all the factors for a sustainable life are attained, man can colonize in a large number on Mars. But we should remember all the lessons we learned on Earth and practice safe living habits on Mars so that we do not exploit its resources. We have started taking bookings for plots on Mars, so contact us immediately as the prime locations are selling out fast. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.